Hey everybody, it's John Dehart from the Homes from Dehart team, powered by Keller Williams Realty here in McLean. We are again with Sarah.Welsh with Prosperity Home Mortgage and the Welsh team. Today we're talking a little bit more about the different programs that are available for you as consumers who are looking to purchase here. What are some of the different programs that you are offering that you're seeing combat some of the higher interest rates than they were maybe in the spring?
There's a couple different avenues to take in terms of combating the interest rate environment right now. One is to pay discount points. Discount points are a one-time fee that you pay up front to permanently lower the interest rate. So it would be, whatever interest rate you buy it down to, fixed over the life of the loan, assuming you do a fixed loan. Another option would be to do an ARM. That's an adjustable rate mortgage. So oftentimes they start out at a lower interest rate than what a 30-year fixed, but down the line they do adjust based on the market rate. So there is some risk there. Now there's a third option that's relatively new, that's really becoming much more popular, at least among my buyers, and that's what's called a 2-1 buy down.
Yeah, tell us more about that. We're hearing a lot about that.
Yeah, so what a 2-1 buy down is that you lock in based on whatever today's market rate is. So let's just call it 6%. But for this particular buy down, for the first year, you actually pay 2% below that rate. So instead of 6%, you would be paying 4%. For the second year of the fixed term, you'd be paying 1% below the market rate. And then from years 3 through whatever the remaining fixed term is, you pay that 6% market rate. Cost of the buy down actually has to be paid for by the sellers. So that is part of negotiations. The buyer cannot pay for the buy down. They can't get a gift for the buy down. It must come from the sellers. So that's one caveat.
Would the goal be to potentially let's assume that 2 years, 1 year, 2 years down the line, the interest rate does dip into a percentage point that you can refinance. You can still refinance that 2-1 buy down, right? You're not locked into that for 30 years. Is that right?
Absolutely right. You can refinance any of our loans at any time without penalty. Wow. And if you refinance before the 2-year period is over and there's still some of that seller credit in the escrow account that makes up the difference between the interest payments, then you actually get a refund for that. So it's not money that's wasted just because you're refinancing.
Well, that's all great information. If you have any questions for Sarah or her team, her information will be here right at the top of the screen. And make sure to follow us for more information on the local real estate market and the Homes from Dehart team. Have a great day.